Today we'll discuss about the length of fingers and what your fingers says about you and your personality. Okay, so it's very important to see the length of fingers. It tells a lot of things. So first we see this index finger. Okay, if this index finger is like well developed and has good length, very good length, and it just goes till the height of your middle finger, then this person becomes a very egoistic. This person has the ability to rule everyone, and this person wants to rule everyone. Okay, and this person can be a very good leader. So many like leaders, political leaders, has this kind of finger. And yeah, this if this length is like more than usual, if this finger has the length like the middle finger, then this person will be very egoistic, and he will show his ego everywhere, and this person will be dominant. Okay, so this is the quality of index finger if it is longer than the usual. Now let's see middle finger. This middle finger shows if this is well developed, and if this is squarish and little bit thin, then this person becomes very serious. This person has so many ideas, but this person doesn't show, okay, his ideas. And because of the overthinking, this person might be in mental disease. Okay, this person can have mental problem. And if this finger is if this finger has cone shape, okay, kind of cone shape, okay, then what happens, this person becomes very cruel, and this person has very bad thoughts. Okay, so this cone shape is not considered good in the middle finger. Now let's see the third. This is ring finger. And actually, if this finger well developed, and if this finger has good length, then this person will be very artistic, and through his art this person will achieve popularity in the society, and also he will attain so much wealth in the society. And this person can be in music. This finger has the length like the middle finger, and both finger are the same length. Then this person becomes like careless, and he doesn't think about his dignity and respect. But this person can do anything, okay, to attain success. But this person has very good mental abilities, and most of the time it is seen that this finger gives very good results only. Okay, and if this finger is having the spoon shape, okay, then what will happen? Okay, let me make, in this case this person can become a very good actor and has very good ability of acting, like he can be a comedian or a singer. Okay, and now come to the this little finger. If this finger is having good height, and this finger is just crossing the third line of the third joint of the ring finger, then this person will be very good speaker. This person can influence anyone through his speech, and this person will use very good logic behind his speech, because uh, just under this little finger there is Mercury planet, and Mercury represents your speech. So this person will be very good in speech, and this person can be very good writer, orator, okay, and philosopher. This person can be very good in marketing. This person will do very good in marketing, and this person can achieve very good success through his speech only. So these were some uh, indication of your fingers. If your finger has the like a good shape and size, then these finger can give you so many things. Okay, so it was a brief information regarding your fingers. Hope you will like this video, and this video may be informative for you. So if you like this video, do subscribe my channel and stay with us for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time.